So a quick little update for you guys on the Paradise Valley house flip. We closed officially yesterday, which if I'm not mistaken was the 15th of March, and our construction or the overall just renovation is starting today. So we have, as of right now, the painters prepping the inside and the outside. I kind of just want to provide you guys an idea of what we have planned for it. We picked up the house for $2.3 million. It was an off-market listing based off of current comps in the area. We feel very confident we can get over $3 million for it, as well as the goal would be around $3.5 million is potentially what we intend to list it for. When it comes down to what we plan to do with it, a lot of people are kind of just asking or questioning why we're even putting any money into it. It's just a little outdated. So with everything of like refinishing these floors to give it a more just newer look, a lot of that is going throughout the house, the pool, and because the house is so big, just to kind of provide you guys with a little idea, it's about 8,700 square feet, including the back house for this one. It sits on a little bit over 1.25 acres, if I'm not mistaken. It's here in Paradise Valley. We're going to be doing the exterior paint, the interior paint. We're again refinishing the flooring and certain bathrooms. There's a lot that's going into the lighting, and just due to how high the ceilings are, I've never done a house flip like this where the price per square foot when it comes down to a $200,000 house is just so much more different, and I'm super excited to kind of share with you at the end of it. Everything that goes into it are estimated for renovations are right around $100,000 to $120,000, and an idea can be like the exterior paint, where it normally costs us $4,000 for a traditional house. This one, just for the exterior, costs us $22,000, and we have so many different moving parts with this just because of how big the house is. Again, this is my first time ever taking on a project that's in the millions of dollars, as well as I'm very excited to not just share our successes with this house flip, but as well as the mistakes that we made, and hope that you can kind of like refer to this video anytime that you guys are taking on a project, maybe to this scale or to this degree, and as well as to put into perspective how important it is to scale in any market, with your business, with trading in the stock market, and as well as within real estate. So just to have a little bit more of an idea, comment down below anything you would like to know about this house flip, and I, to the best of my abilities, will either make a Q&A or try to answer it on the next video. So I hope that we earned your thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you guys would like to see next. I hope that you guys can subscribe to the YouTube channel. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.